Hi, beautiful spicy family. Welcome another time to the Don Kitchen. I'm feeling so happy today. I don't know what, but probably because I'm gonna bring out a new recipe. It is codfish cooked down in coconut milk with okra and chow. But before I begin, if you are new here, it's great to have you with us on our journey. If you are returning, welcome back. Please become a channel member. Join the channel. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so when Don upload a video, you will be the first one to know. And we are happy when you join the Don Kitchen family. Coconut milk, 1 pack of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, 1 tomato, some fresh green thyme, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 stalks of scallion, 1 onion, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, 1 ounce of butter, lime juice, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. If you don't have the lime juice, you can use a lime. This is a lime, or you can use a lemon. This is a lemon. So there's a difference between the lemon and the lime. Here, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5. It's about 12 to 14 okra. They also call it lady fingers. 1 chocha or chayote. Jamaican, we know this as chocho, but some places it's chayote. The star of the show is the codfish. This is a codfish. So guys, let me know where you're watching the video from and what they call this in your country, because I know it at chocho. So my daughter-in-law, she laughed me to scorn one day when I said chocho. She said, Dee, what you said? I said, chocho I brought to make soup. She laughed. She said, no, that is a lady private. So she said, I said, then what it name? She said chayote, but we know it as chocho. Okay, I think I don't left out anything, and this is a brand new recipe coming out from Don. So before any further ado, let us begin. And of course, you're gonna need your pot that you're gonna cook in. Your frying pan or your skillet and the cover and all of that. You're gonna take the head off the okra. You don't have to remove the end right there unless you see it's damaged. And let me tell you something. You see, when you're buying the okra, there's a way where you test for the okra to see if it's old or if it's young. So right here when you go, you just hold it and you bend. And once you see it bend, see it break, you know the okra is young, it's not old. When the okra is old and you come like this, it can't break. Yeah, I want to see if I can find an old one to show you, but look like I picked these good, you know, so there is no old one. No old one. Okay. So we have 2 different cuts of chayote. We have the one with the knife and you have the one without the knife. After you finish cut up your chow, you're gonna rinse it. You're just gonna cut on the okras. So while I was cutting on the okra, I find an old one. So once it's old and you come like this, see, it can't break. You see, so you have to be careful, mindful when you bind the okra. See, it cannot break. So if you cook this, it can't chew. It's gonna be a lot of string in your mouth. You can't swallow it. It all, you see it? It can't break nor anything. It's tough. So when it cook, it's gonna be just like how you see it stay in my hand. Alright, now we done cut up our okra, and I have 4 old ones that I didn't cut. So this codfish, it's fresh and it's not wild caught, it's from the sea. And no bones is in it. They debone it. I'm gonna leave back a piece because I'm gonna do a next video on something else. So this is where you're gonna use your lemon or your lime. And if you're using the lemon or the lime, you squeeze it and you rub it on your codfish, just like what I'm doing. And the rest, I'm just gonna put it in some water. And you're gonna place the codfish in it. Let the codfish sit in the water for like a minute or so to cut all those rawness from it. And you want to rinse it again. And you're going to cut the codfish in whatever bite size you want to cut it in. I think I'm good with this. I don't need it any finer or any thicker. I'm just going to slice it with my kitchen shear. You can use a knife. I'm just gonna place these, put this away. You have to watch the video until the end to see what I'm doing. Remember, this is a new video. So now we'll finish all our green herbs and red herbs with the garlic. You can compress the garlic or chop it up, that I'm gonna do too. And with our salt, our codfish, you're just gonna place the salt and on our all-purpose on it, and you're gonna rub it in. Beautiful spicy family, you're watching the video today and you haven't yet subscribed, please like and share the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so when I upload a video you will be the first one to know. And please become a member, join the channel. So this is the codfish, and you're just gonna let it aside, let it marinate for 10-15 minutes or even an hour. Before I go to the stove, let me just chop the garlic. Before you go to the stove, just separate your thyme and the tomato and your pepper and set them aside. So let the pot be heated, and we're gonna add the butter to it. Let the butter melted. After the butter is melted, then we're gonna come in with our green seasoning. The okra, that's the 4 that I didn't cut. I just put it in. We're just gonna give this like 3 minutes. After it becomes translucent, then it's time to add the coconut milk in. We add the coconut milk. We're coming in with our chocha and the okra, of course. Gonna add the thyme in. And remember, your thyme have to be green, fresh thyme, not the dry one. We're just gonna place the lid on and let it simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. So turn the fire down. After 5 minutes, put the tomato and pepper in. And you want to stir your pot. And now it's time to add our codfish in. And place and compact our salmon, our codfish in. After you place the codfish in, just want to take some of the juice and put it on top of the codfish. Spread it all over. And cover, place the lid on, and in 5 minutes I'll be back. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add the ginger juice. And you're gonna flip. You're gonna flip your codfish over. Just be patient. Don't go too hard because you don't want them to break up. See, it come up. If just flip it over. Stick them up and turn them over on the next side in the juice. Just place the lid on, and I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes on that side. So overall it's 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, so we're just gonna check in and look at this, guys. Look how it's so slippery. Look how it's supple. See that? And this is all you want the juice to be. So we're gonna turn the fire off. Don't go away yet. So this is it, guys. Our codfish cooked down in coconut milk with cho and okra is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious? So why not go ahead and give it a try? I know you will like it. And I want to show you some of the gravy, some of this, the juice from it. Look at this. Look how supple it looking, so thick. It can't even come from the spoon. This is what you want, guys. So give it a try. I know you're gonna like it. So beautiful people, please remember to become a channel member, like and share the video. Tell me where you're watching the video from. Don't keep this video to yourself, you know. Share it so others can learn. So share it, send it around, and just remember, if you don't have good to say about your fellow people, zip says nothing. And always remember to stay positive. Peace and love, bye from where the D-Dan kitchen to your kitchen. I see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye for now.